Okay, good morning everybody. We're heading down to another farm. I'm gonna go use the mini. We gotta dig up an old laneway. I'm gonna farm over it. So, get this baby warming up. Get this day rolling. Diesel in 6410. Start to drive down there. Yeah, you can see my fenders are getting shot, so the new ones we'll have to put on, but we need some more rain days. And the tough thing about this tractor is we're always using it, so it's hard to, you know, delegate a spot where we can actually go at it, because I want to paint that hood, get those fenders on, make it like new again. $77.10 is out. GoPro. That works better. Okay, so this Laneway that we're digging up, it's been here before we owned this farm. This is just a job I've been wanting to get done for quite a while, so here we are. But with these nice days, you're certainly realizing how quick spring is coming and how extremely busy we are going to get. I just realized that I think next week, I believe, not next week, the week after, I got my chickens going out. So that means we're gonna start washing barns. I got a new flock of birds coming in. The baby chicks you seen me put in our chick barn, those are going to be our layers. They're just coming into production now, so this is all good stuff. They're looking healthy, happy. I mean, I know I haven't really, I haven't shown anything of the pullet barn since we put the baby chicks in, but I have been busy doing other things. I mean, I've been in the barn every day, but I haven't made a video in there, and I apologize. But anyways, we're going to keep carrying on, but it's kind of cool. This will be the first actual flock of layers I put on YouTube, so it's exciting. As soon as the layers are in, you know, we got to get them ramped up into production. You know, we got to make sure everything is going to be 100% in the barn, as in sanitized. I need to make sure my lighting program is proper. You know, new batch of feed is going to be made. We're going to be doing a different recipe for the new flock that comes in to make sure they got enough calcium for that first few weeks of getting into production. Because I've explained before, if you don't give them enough calcium, they'll take it from their bones. This is a critical time for them, so I want to make sure it's 100% for the bird's health and for the quality of egg that you'll be eating. As for the layers that are in there, they're still doing awesome. I was looking at the production, I look at it every week, but I just looked at it yesterday. We have 2% cracks. You're wondering why are we getting rid of the birds with only 2% cracks, because that sounds pretty amazing. It's just the industry standard. They're only allowed to be in the barn for a year, and so after that they're going to go and to Maple Lodge, and they'll be made into like chicken bacon and stuff like that. Fun fact, I don't actually get paid for my birds to go out. I have to pay to get them removed from my barn. But anyway, so as for the egg quality and all that stuff, as for cracks, really good. But you can really feel the difference in the barn. You know, as you come up on a year, their shell quality, the egg just gets softer. That's how it is. That's just that's the fact of life. So, but anyway, so after chickens are in, I mean, I need to get my planters ready. They should be pretty close, but I put them away pretty well ready. I just know I think I need to put some new fertilizer discs on my corn planter. The air seeders should be good to go, but we got to bring them into the shop. We got to go over them. As for the sunflower, I don't even know if we're going to be able to get it finished for springtime. I mean, I called about the blades yesterday. Nobody has any idea what's going on. COVID is really screwing things up, that's for sure. I mean, just trying to order any part seems to be crazy right now. So anyways, Owen's here. I got to pay attention for this one, and I'll probably talk back about what we're still going to be doing as the weeks go on. So the reason why we're cleaning this laneway up is the guy who owned this farm before us, I've wanted to do this for quite a bit of time now, but anyways, he made this laneway so he could get to the back of the farm at all times. Conveniently, he just put everything just right over top of the topsoil, so I don't have to dig down and bring new dirt back. I just gotta take the top dirt off, which is basically bigger rocks and sand. So we're just dumping it over there. Anyways, I want to farm over it. If there's a laneway to the back of your farm, there is a good chance that somebody will, hey, what's down there, and go check it out. And I don't really want people on my farms. I don't really need this laneway, because when you roll in with the tractor, I'm driving between the rows, or I'm here for a purpose, so the laneway doesn't serve a purpose except for just in and out, so it should just be an approach. So we're just going to get rid of this, and we'll be able to farm over it again. We'll probably gain a couple acres. I'll have to measure it out, maybe 3. It's a long laneway. It's kind of crazy. I didn't think it was this big until we got into it, but anyways, at least it's fun. I like running the excavator, only for a little bit though. Just like everything else that we do, I don't want to do this as a career. It's a lot of swinging, a lot of swinging. But what else do we got going on coming up? So you're going to see me talk a little bit about this in probably the next video. I did a video yesterday, but I'm not going to post it till after this one. I guess you'll see why. We're just working on a motor. This weekend we're doing the dyno, so I just want to end it with the dyno pull. Conveniently, today is a nice day again, so we'll get it. This is the second day of the laneway, and then we still have to go back and finish up that spot where I was clearing all the sumacs and those that topsoil that we put there. I came to a standstill. I got a guy coming with a wood chipper to chip some of the stuff up. My mom wants wood chips, so there we have it. And plus there's one big stump. Hopefully I'll get it on video, but it sounds like we're going to blow it up. It needs to be, it's just too big. It's 5 feet in diameter. Or I got to get a really big excavator in, because this little guy won't do it even with the help of the backhoe. So hopefully I can get some of that on footage if that's what we do, or maybe a guy's just going to come cut it up. We haven't really decided yet. So, but I don't even think we're going to farm that piece this year. I think it'll be too soft. So we'll pretty much just hit it maybe with a disc, clear it up, and good to go. This farm working away. I got, as usual, we got Mike picking eggs until he's done. He's going to a different farm to clean up some sticks and stuff so we can get ready to plant. Just over the winter, you get trees falling in and carrying on, so that has to be cleaned up. Wes, he's making feed for the pullets, which are soon going to be layers. And after that, actually, this morning we took out manure, which if you've seen in the, I forget what video it was, but anyway, just the dry manure system, taking manure out of the barn. anyways, we had a bearing go in the pull-up barn and that dry manure system, so he's got to get that switched out. And then once he's done that, he's gonna be here helping us out again. It's always busy around here, and I know they watch my videos here. So Mike and Wes, like I always say, I really appreciate the things that they do, because they're here, they're helping us out. If they weren't, I mean, some of these jobs, that like this job right here, it doesn't need to be done, like it doesn't have to be done, but it's a want, and that, you know, it lets me and Owen do different jobs that we need to get done so we can keep carrying on with our lives. And you know, it's just important. Also, while we're over here doing this, we got my wife and my mom in the office doing book work. You know, there's always ordering going on, bills to no end, lots of stuff to go over. You know, making sure everything's proper for when our birds go out. There's a lot more involving that than just moving them. You know, we got to make sure trucks are lined up, crews are lined up. I got to be in talk with the ag board about when we're moving. They need to know exactly what's going on. Yeah, and just so there's always more stuff going on, you think, behind the scenes than just me screwing around with equipment or welding or farming. And there's a lot of wheels turning here to keep this operation rolling. That's for sure. So we're just gonna move this stuff into a pile here off to the side of our property, so later in life if we need some more fill, we can just come and grab it. Absolutely. Whoa, there we are. Well, it's been a busy day. Almost finished the laneway. Make sure you like and subscribe. That's all I got for you today. Cheers.